Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you letter V and W. What is letter V? See here. In fingers only you can show letter V. See here. V. What is this? W. Okay, children. V, W. Two fingers makes letter V. Three fingers makes letter W. Okay, children, I will teach you on the board. Next, I will show you in the 4-line format book. Okay. See, children, here are dots done for you. Here we go left slant line, right slant line. This is letter V. Left slanting line, right slanting line. Letter V. Left slanting line, right slanting line. Letter V. Left slanting line, right slanting line. Letter V. Here we go with W. Slanting line. Again another slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Left slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line. Then again, right slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line. Here we have done with letter V and W. Okay, children, see, this is letter V and this is letter W. V for van, W for watch. Children, now I am going to show you the book which you are going to write in your 4-line format book. Children, this is your English classwork book. Here we are going to write letter V and W as I showed you on the board. The same thing. Please parents, write the date as 9th of September, letters V and W. Here, start with the red line, stop with the second blue line. V, 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 V. Then, I request parents to put the dots in this position so that the children can write easily following the dots. Yes. So, as usual, these 3 lines will be done by the child. Then the first line is written by the parent. Please parents, help your child to write this first line so that the second 2 lines the child will be able to write by themselves. So, with the help of pencil, write right slanting line, left slanting line. Right slanting line because it is coming towards the right hand side. Left slanting line. Right slanting line, left slanting line. Right slanting line, left slanting line. So, you need to complete these 2 lines too. Yes, we have completed letter V. Here we go with letter W. Same thing. Right slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line. This is W. Letter W. W for watch. This I will be teaching you later when I am referring the alphabet book. So, 3 dots on the red line, 2 dots on the second blue line. That should be middle of the 3 dots. See, just opposite to this and here. This is letter W. Here we are going to write letter W. W for watch. So parents, I request you to please hold the child's hand to write easily. Help your child in holding the hand and write this first line with the help of your parents. Then the next line, my children are ready to write. Is it not, children? Yes. See, like this, we are going to write letter W. So, these two lines, my children will write. Is it not, children? You will write no. Very good. Please do remember to touch the dots and write neatly. Then again, I request parents to take another page. Date should be same as 9th of September. This is the revision of ANKM which we have already done in the last class. See, ANKM. Is it not, parents? So now we are going to write letters AN, KM and VW. Here, letter A. Please, parents, write with the red pen. A, N, K, M, V and W. Here, I request parents to put the dots here for letter A and letter N according to the alphabets. Please help your child to write these letters for only first two lines. Then the child will be able to write rest other lines. Yes. This is letter N dots. Here is K dots. Here are M dots. Here V. Then the last is the W. So the dots should be followed for the whole page in this way. Then take a pencil, hold the child's hand, then write letter A. A. Standing line, slanting line, standing line. N. Standing line, slanting line. It should be touched the middle line, middle blue line. Then again from middle blue line to the second blue line. Okay. Then standing line, go towards up, come down, go up, come down. This is up and down patterns which you have already learned. Is it not, children? Down, up, down, up. Yes, up, down. A. Stand up, down, up. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line. Up, down, up, down. Letter M. Down, up. Letter V. Down, up, down, up. Letter W. This is the way we are going to complete the full page. So parents, I request you to please complete this revision part. See parents, here we have completed letter A, N, K, M, V, W. So parents, do give your child a very good practice so that they can write test very well. Okay parents, okay children, thank you.